put the emergency on?
Yeah. Are you serious? I don't have an emergency brake. I did. Oh, the right side too?
Yes.
Oh, I thought you meant just those ones.
No, all 4 of them, dude.
Oh, my bad.
That way. Oh shit.
Crank it, dude.
Who put these on? Okay, so when you do this, you're supposed to tighten it up. If it doesn't tighten, it go the other way. Crank up. Look at, touch that chain.
Oh yeah, that's it right there.
That's too much. Too much, yeah. It needs at least half an inch play. Tighten the bitch.
Okay, hold it.
I said bitch on my camera.
I got it zoomed out right now if you want to zoom it back in.
Yeah, we have to, dude.